After crossing the Armenian border, our journey continues with a scenic 3-hour drive through snow-covered landscape leading to our first destination, Lake Sevan. Stick around because this trip is just getting started and you won't want to miss the stunning views ahead.
Marami na makikita mga snow sa area na ito kasi medyo mataas na siya tapos na very low ang temperature. Kahit maaraw siya, pero marami na siya mga snow. Thank you for the nice weather.
But before we kick off our adventure to the stunning Lake Sevan, we are making a quick stop to enjoy some delicious local food. Stay with us as we indulge in authentic Armenian flavors. It's going to be absolutely delicious.
We are having our stopover to have our lunch.
Time check, it's 1:14. So ngayon kakain muna kami. Yan yung aming car, yung red. Actually, akala mo lang siya mainit kasi nasa loob ng car kami, may heater. Pero ang actual temperature, malamig talaga siya dito sa labas. Dito ang entrance pala. I hope that they have good food inside. Dito kami sa Shobagyu Supermarket. Shobagyu Supermarket. Wow! This is the restaurant. Ooh! Ano siya? May bread. Marami sila mga bread, nakapareho din ng Middle Eastern. So, I think ang kanilang mga pastries is same as Middle East. Ito may baklava ko. Baklava with nuts. Ayan. Marami sila mga cakes. Okay ba? May mga presyo nila. Oh, may 1.5. May isda dito. Ito, merong fish, may trout. We will order 1 pork, 1 trout. Ibang tindahan na to. Ito luto na. Ayan, luto na to. Yung isa lutuin pa lang. Meron din sila mga pickled vegetables. Pwede kang kumuha dyan. Gamit mo yung container. Tapos, fruit. Meron din dito mga salads. Siyempre, hindi kami sa salad. So, iba-iba siyang store. So, may store dito, may store sa kabila. Ito naman, ibang store. May potato, puro mga pie with fish. Fish cutlet, beef chicken cutlet. They have pizza. Ayan, they have rice. Maybe we can order rice here. So, punong-puno naman ng oil. Oo nga. Finish? Yeah? Yeah. So, ang drinks ay 200. Now, we can look for our seats. Tatayo sila ng Christmas tree. Diba? Bill namin dun sa 2 rice, isang fish flat, fish pie yata yan. Tapos itong spinach at saka yung salad niya is umabot na kami ng 5.5. Yung barbecue, fish barbecue at saka pork barbecue ay 60. So ayan na yung pagkain namin. Okay, let's eat! Happy day. Thank you. Ay, salamat. Nagkaroon din tayo ng fish. Nice. Parang ito yung pagkain na sarapan naman. Sa lahat na kanain natin doon. I like this one. Napagyan toyo? Dapat pa na nagbabaong ka. Next time, pag mag-travel ka, magbaong ka toyo. Is this from Boston or from the river? Really? How long would the travel time from here going to Seven Lake? How many minutes? 30? 10 to 15 daw. 15? Hindi lang tayo hindi bayad. Yan ganito agara. Hindi ako muna. Fish fry. Nakaka-happy yung pagkain. I don't like Gusto mo ba? Masarap yung pagkaka-season yun. Yung lahat ng food. Yung baboy, yung fish. Na ako. Hindi ko na nga ako pinilagay ng isda. Oo. Yan, sama-sama na. Can we take this one home in the hotel? Can we take it out? They have control now. They have.
Check, yeah.
Busog?
Busog. Papalot sa namin to.
Sige. So, bye-bye! Okay, tapos na kami kumain. And then we're going out. Na, malamig na naman. Ay! 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 It's cold! It's cold. Okay, we had a nice lunch. Happy ako sa lunch namin. Sabi nung tour guide, it will only take 10 to 15 minutes.
Bingkay.